Hi everybody, good morning and welcome to our channel. This is one of our first instructional videos. Today we're working on a 2014 Mercedes-Benz S-Class, and the client had stated that the backlighting for the LEDs on this switch panel were starting to flicker, and that can be a little bit distracting while you're driving. So here we are, we're going to show you how to change this out. As always, we do recommend you take it to a garage, and that way the liability does fall on them. But this is just for instructional purposes only. Okay, well let's begin. First of all, we're going to pop open the center console. And as you can see, it always does benefit you to have some tools handy. We sort of prepped this already with a trim removal tool. And here we are, we're exposing the mechanism for the center controller. And what you're going to do is you're going to remove the interior panel components. This is going to give you access to a couple of Torx screws that are right under the controller. It's a Torx 20, so you're going to be looking at a Torx 20 removal here. As you can see, the controller lifts right out. Get that out of the way. Again, get your trim removal tool and be very careful just not to disturb anything, especially the harnesses. But you're going to pop this straight up. Okay. As that clicks out, you can see that we already have our other one. It is a Mercedes-Benz only part, so you are going to have to do this factory. We do not recommend using used parts, only because they do carry no warranty usually. And you go into the exact reverse process. You clip in your control harnesses, press this back in with a solid click, reinsert the controller, and replace your Torx 20 screws. Okay, that was it. Pretty simple. Hope you enjoyed watching. Stay tuned to our channel. We're going to show you a few more things, little tricks of the trade. But thank you again for watching. Bye-bye.